Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I'll be trying out brand new Korean beauty products. This episode is in collaboration with B2 Link. They distribute beauty brands globally, and one of the new brands that they're working with is Touch in Seoul. I've actually used this brand in the past. I have their No Problem Primer. I love the name of this. I think I used it on my mum for one of the videos, but this product is great for those who have like large pores and want to smooth their skin out. So I've had this baby in my kit for a little while now. Since then, they have launched new products, which I'm excited because I get to try some of them today. The first product I have here is the All-in-One Beauty Aid Cream. This is a super moisturizing cream that provides immediate relief, hydration, and has a triple barrier effect which helps to lock in the moisture and prevent your skin from drying out. Now, I have a confession to make. This is not my first time using this product. I've actually been using this for the last 3 weeks. This is like my battered one. You can see the difference here. So what I do is just squeeze out about that much and apply it all over my skin. I actually started using this cream after I got laser done. I tried this like micro peel laser which made my skin all dry and flaky, and then my friend from Korea gave me this cream and I kid you not, it saved my skin. So since then I've been using it, and I've actually been using it as a primer as well. So I just like literally apply it all over my face and then do my foundation on top. The next product I'm going to try is actually a foundation. This is the Advanced Real Moisture Liquid Foundation. It has a lightweight hydrating formula with SPF 30. It's long lasting and has a medium to full coverage. Now, like most Korean brands, Touch in Seoul only has 2 colored foundations, 21 and 23. Let's hope 23 matches me. So I'm just gonna give it a good shake and then pump a bit of it on the back of my hand. Ooh, it is looking a little bit light. It might match me. I think it is a little bit light and a bit more on, I guess more like the neutral or even a bit pinky. I am definitely more of like a yellow undertone, so let's see how this goes. So I'm just gonna apply it on with a brush first. Could be a little bit too light. This actually has a nice smell to it. I don't know if it's my brush or is it the foundation. No, it's a foundation. It smells really nice. I'm not too sure if this has a full coverage. I feel like it's probably more medium. So far, it's pretty blendable. I can definitely see that it's hydrating. It has like a more dewy finish to it. So here is a close-up of my skin. I actually blended the foundation all the way underneath my eye, and it actually works. It's not bad because it's so hydrating. It doesn't like crease and crack up or anything, so I do like that. The only thing is I wish it was a little bit darker for me, just slightly darker. I think if I blend it down my neck, I can definitely get away with it, but just personal preference, I just like my foundation a little bit darker. Now I want to do a quick test to check the coverage of this foundation. Because I don't have a lot of things to cover up on my skin, I'm going to test it out on the back of my hand with my eyeliner. So here is Mr. Smiley on the back of my hand. I'm going to see how well this foundation covers up the black eyeliner. It's covering up the eyeliner a bit, but I wouldn't say it's a full coverage. I'd say it's more of a medium coverage. Moving on to brows, I have the Brow Expert Bar. This is a brow pencil and brow mascara in one. So on one end you have the retractable brow pencil. The shape of this is sort of similar to the Benefit Goof Proof one. It's a little bit thicker than what I normally use. And on the other side you have the clear eyebrow mascara. Okay, so I'm going to use this to fill in my brows. I'm going to start off at the middle first. I might do like straighter Korean inspired brows. So I'm just going to like straighten out the bottom so that there's no arch, and then just really softly fill in the body of my brows. The trick with Korean brows is you want to keep it quite soft and natural, not too crazy defined and sharp. So then I'm just going to like taper it at the end. Oh, went a bit too far there. Ideally, you would just trim your brows so it's like straight across, but I'm just gonna just leave mine like that. And then for the start of my brows, I'm going to sort of like create a straight line across as well. I feel like this brow pencil is a little bit on the soft side, so you have to be super light-handed. I'm actually going to grab a clean eyeshadow brush and just blend that color forward. Okay, so I'm done with that brow. I think I just want to clean up underneath a little bit. So I'm just going to grab a bit of that foundation I used before and a flat brush and just use it to clean up underneath. And I'm done with this one. What do you think of my straight brow? I feel like I need a color maybe that's slightly darker, but I can get away with this color too. The next product I'm going to try, which I'm super excited about, are these Medalist Liquid Foil and Glitter Shadow Duo. I have 3 shades. I have Margaret, Talia, and Adelio. So what's really cool about this is that there's 2 sides. One is the liquid and the other side has the glitter pigments. So let me just quickly swatch this color for you. So this is the liquid side. So you can use that alone, or you can pop the glitter on top or use the glitter alone as well. So this is the glitter. Look how nice that looks. I'm really excited to test this one out because it's sort of similar to my favorite sort of glitter and eye foils. This is the Shu Uemura eye foil and the Stila Magnificent Glitter and Glow eyeshadows. So it's like these two had a baby and out came this one. So I'm going to try the eye foil on first. So it's gonna pop a little bit of that. And then you can either like use your fingers to dab it in and work it in, or use a brush to sort of like blend and smooth it out. And you can slowly just work up the intensity for this. This is looking nice. The color payoff is so good on this. Look at that, look how nice it looks on my lid. It's like a metallic sheen to it and it has small glitter particles. And best of all, there is no fallout underneath. I hate working with glitter because sometimes it's crazy, especially like pigments and eyeshadows. But when it comes to like liquid stuff, it's so good. I'm going to try out the darker shade, Adelio. I'm gonna pop it on the outer corners. And I'm just gonna use my brush to just blend it out. So far, these are really easy to blend. I'm quite happy with that. I'm gonna go in with the other shade, Talia, and I'm still using the metallic side. I'm going to use my brush to apply this as a highlight into the inner corners. I think it is time for some glitter. I'm going to go back into the duo Margaret and then pop on that glitter pigment just on the center of my lid. Okay, I'm just going to pop that glitter on. Just use a pressing motion. Okay, let's quickly finish off my lower lash line. I'm going to pick up some of that metallic foil from Margaret and just run it along my lower lash line. I'm done with my eyes. I just want to quickly show you that this eye foil thing, once it sets, it does not budge. Wow. So that's like on my skin. Moving on, the next product I am trying out is the StretchX Mascara. This has a super light elastic formula which helps to create buildable length that won't weigh your lashes down. Let's hope it does what it claims to do because I have really short, pathetic lashes. I hope this does lengthen them and I hope the curl stays. You can start to see some lashes there. The wonder of this mascara is a really good size. It's not too small and it's not too big. I feel like it's really good for those of you who have short lashes like me. I'm going to do the bottom now. Do you see that? Is this real life? Wow, look at that compared to this eye. I'm like pretty much bald on this side and I've got lashes. This is a miracle, guys. I really like this mascara. That's all the products I have to try in this episode. However, I feel like I am missing something. That's better. I bought this wig a few weeks ago and I've been dying to wear it in a video for you guys. And so since today I tried some new Korean beauty products, I thought perfect time to try out my new wig. Okay, instead of rating each product, I'm going to pick my favorite to least favorite product that I tried today. My absolute favorite product from today has to be the Medalist and Glitter Eyeshadow Duos. These are amazing. The color payoff is great. They're super pigmented. They look amazing on the eye. And best of all, once it sets, it doesn't move. My second favorite product is the StretchX Mascara. This actually gives me some lashes. I love that my top lashes, it holds a curl and it really extends my lower lashes. Like come on, look at that. I have lashes for once. Next is this all-in-one beauty aid cream. This has seriously saved my skin, guys. If you have dry, sensitive or dehydrated skin, I would highly recommend this one. You can also double it up as a primer. Next comes the Advanced Real Moisture Liquid Foundation. This is a great foundation for those of you who have a more dry skin type, or even if you're combination. It's really hydrating, it's moisturizing. The only thing is there's only 2 shades, 21 and 23. For me personally, I would prefer a shade darker than this. It's because I'm wearing like a high neckline today. You can't really tell, but I think a slightly darker shade would look better. And finally, my least favorite has to be the Brow Expert Bar. I think the formula of this is a little bit too soft and creamy for me. I prefer something a little bit harder, so then you don't have to be super light-handed with it. But in saying that, because it's really creamy, it's super easy to blend. So that concludes today's episode of Tina Tries It. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's episode. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!